More and more campers are agreeing that getting off the ground is the only way to camp. We set out to design the ultimate solo tent by combining the convenience of a traditional tent with the aerial benefits of a hammock. Welcome to the Aerial A1 by Opiongo. What makes the Aerial so special is its elevated, stable platform. Unlike a hammock, the Aerial stretches out tight, creating an extremely comfortable sleeping surface. The space inside spreads open, flat, free of any pressure points, giving you room to stretch out, breathe, and sleep in any position, back, side, or even front. The main feature that allows the Aerial to achieve its exceptional comfort and stability is our unique slackline suspension system. The suspension system works by having two high tensile webbing straps set up on either side of two trees. The webbing is then expanded using aluminum spreader bars. To get the surface tight, a simple 3-to-1 purchase system is used utilizing climbing grade components, which provides a hassle-free setup that takes only minutes. This setup creates an extremely strong, stable surface using only 2 trees. The Opiongo Aerial is designed to be the most versatile shelter ever. It spans over any terrain, rocks, roots, or even rivers. There's no need to find a dry spot or level ground, pitch your tent between the trees, and sleep like a baby bird. But if no trees are available, don't fret. The floor seams are sealed and the tent can simply be set up on the ground like any other tent. The Aerial A1 is constructed from premium materials using modern manufacturing processes. At its core, this tent is a simple single-pole structure with a small ridge pole that creates a roomy little nest. The tent features 2 incredibly large doors on either side to completely open up the space, allowing nature to flow right through. Inside, there are 2 pockets on either end and 1 sky pocket that is the perfect place for putting your headlamp, phone, and much more. We are proud to announce that all our first round backers have received their tents and their reviews have been amazing. After listening to our backers, we have tweaked the product to make it even better. All tents now come with premium DAC aluminum poles, an increased waterproof rating, auto-tensioning guy lines, and more. We are currently taking orders for the second round of Aerials, which are already being made. We hope you'll get on board the Aerial experience and take your camping to new heights.